Implementation of a flipped classroom approach as a teaching tool for postgraduate students of Human Anatomy and Embryology Department, Faculty of Medicine, Zagazig University, by Dr. Amira Hamed, Lecturer of Human Anatomy and Embryology, Faculty of Medicine, Zagazig University, my project advisor, Dr. Hani Wahid. Traditional educational method no longer meets the students' needs. Most of the time, teachers spend delivering lecture to the class, and the students were only listeners. There is a shortage of the interaction between students and their teachers as well as between students themselves. In our faculty, the only method for teaching postgraduate students is the traditional methods. There is a need to change from traditional teachers' approach to interactive learning approach, which actively involves the students in learning. Applying the flipped classroom as an interactive learning tool stimulates a transformation that enables student-centered learning and move away from teacher-centered learning. Project goal: create a dynamic interactive learning environment where the educator guides the students as they apply concepts and engage creativity in the subject matter, and enhancement of the other students' cardinal skills such as critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. Project was launched by obtaining Dean and Curriculum Committee approval, followed by IRB approval, preparation of material for training and orientation sessions, conduction of a staff member training session and orientation sessions for postgraduate students, preparation of pre-class and post-class and in-class materials, including selection of relevant topics, prepare pre-class materials, video and reading, and send them for the students, design in-class activities that allow the student to apply and analyze and deepen their understanding through problem solving, preparation of the pre and post tests, feedback questionnaires, and in-class checklist. Conduction of a flipped classroom session face-to-face. The session started with warm welcome and concise overview on the session activity. Then the student take a pre-test, then engaged in the problem solving using real-world scenario and also participate in peer discussion. After that, challenging concepts were clarified to the students. Key points are summarized, followed by post-test. By the end of the session, the feedback questionnaire is collected. After the class, encourage the students to go deeper in the topic by offering supplementary reading materials to expand their understanding. Project evaluation. During the classroom session, checklist for evaluation of students' attitudes revealed commitment of the students, their effective team working, their respect for their colleagues and supervisors. The students become more confident and easily express themselves, and most of students showed engagement to the session and contribute in discussion and asking questions. Analysis of the results of the pre and post test revealed significant improvement of the student knowledge. Analysis of the questionnaires results to assess the student feedback revealed that most of the students highly rated the overall experience and admitted that the pre-class materials was very helpful and sufficient. Almost all students admit the helpfulness of the in-class activity and discussion in reinforcing their understanding of the pre-class materials. Most of the students found the session engageable and very organized and had a perfect balance in relation to the content. Most of the students recommended this teaching modality for other postgraduate colleagues. Outcome chain. The program evaluation results are in line with the outcome chain of the project. It challenges. Some students were anxious about the new teaching method. This overcome by conduction and orientation sessions, illustrating the strategy and the schedule what we will go through. Difficulty in attending the flipped classroom session by some postgraduate students due to administrative duties and tasks. This overcome by implementation of another flipped classroom session online to ensure the attendance of all target group and assign the attendee to prepare the presentation in specific point of the topic to present it virtually. Sustainability plan. Now we're working on the preparation of new material for new flipped classroom sessions for anatomy postgraduate students, preparing to implement this teaching modality for other postgraduate specialties. Great thanks to Professor Dr. Amira Hamed, the head of the department, and to my colleagues who facilitated the smooth flowing of the implementation phase. Also, big thanks to my advisor, Professor Dr. Hani Wahi, Professor of Anatomy, Ain Shams University, for his continuous support and scientific guide in each step.